Hello everyone. Greetings from Serpent Consulting Services Private Limited. Welcome to our new video of visa management solution where the consultancy firms can manage their customers, their application, which can be the immigration application and student coaching application, invoicing, and the agent and their commission. As of now, I have logged in as an admin. So the admin can see the complete iCatchy dashboard, which will give him the idea of the monthly visa application status depending on the visa category, along with the number of visa which has been generated, with the number of accepted visa and the number of rejected visa, along with the university offer letters, acceptance and rejections. As I said, the lead is much more important to manage into any visa application form. So in our solution, we are managing leads into two ways. First is manual, where you need to fill up this particular simple form. Just to add a note, all this blue information is compulsory to fill. Over here, there are two types of lead type which we are managing, application and coaching. If we are selecting application, this particular application will be directed to the immigration application. If we are selecting as a coaching, it will go to the student coaching who are looking to avail some courses like IELTS or any of those aptitude tests. Okay. The mobile number is compulsory. Date of birth. Okay. All these are the basic information which you can add: the education qualification, the work experience, for which country he is applying for the visa, and have he ever applied for the visa from your firm or not. If yes, then for which country and for which year. His IELTS score, if you have given any IELTS examination, if he is coming via reference. Okay. Now, in this application form or lead form, you can manage your team. You can also manage from the source of the lead or inquiry, which is coming to your firm, and also your agent. So if I can say this inquiry came via website, I can manage my sales team and sales people. I can also manage my agent. In agent, you can manage commission into two ways, fixed and percentage. So if I'm selecting the fixed commission type, so the amount will be added for the agent which has been decided between the agent and the firm. If I'm selecting percentage, so on percentage. Okay, so I'm selecting as fixed and save. Okay, this is one way to generate the lead. Also, you can manage your meeting with the applicant with the help of this particular Google Calendar. Another way to generate lead is from the website. The applicant can go to your website. He can fill this particular contact us form. Again, it will ask whether it's for coaching or whether it's for application. I'll select as coaching and a short message. So once I select on submit, this particular lead will go into my leads, which I can check into my visa, and over here leads. So one I have created manually of Suresh Shah. He wanted a visa for Canada. Another I have created from website is of Justin Bieber, who is looking for the IELTS information. So I'll proceed with Suresh Shah first of all. This is the lead form. Once I submit this particular lead form, it will generate a new form where I can add additional information such as immigration purpose. I would say he would like to have a student visa. Okay. Proposed course of study. Okay. His first choice and second choice. His education qualification. His work experience. His English language proficiency, how good he is into communication. And the most amazing and the eye-catchy feature is application checklist. With the help of this particular checklist, you can manage the documentation of this particular applicant. Let's say this is the passport, school credit certificate, let's say affidavit or self-affidavit or work experience letter, any document you can manage and you can save it. Now, as you can see, this is the visa application number which you can provide it to your applicant. He can track this particular application with this help of application number. You can also print out the immigration application receipt or the general affidavit, which will be in the PDF form like this. Okay. Now, as I have selected a student visa, so what will happen? There are consultancy firm which obviously they would be having the tie-up with different universities for in a particular country. So you can enter the university by clicking on universities, and you can enter the university name and save. Okay, so these are the universities for which Suresh Shah have applied for a particular student visa. Okay, fine. Now, as I go to my application for university, it will show me this particular application is under progress. That means the offer letter is yet to be received from a particular university. Let's say we have received an offer letter. So I will select offer letter. I can also upload a document or the offer letter, and this particular visa has been rejected and save. Okay, so Suresh Shah have received the offer letter and also he have received the visa. How? I'll show it to you. So you can go to the visa process. Suresh Shah, first of all, okay, over here he have received the offer letter. So I'll go to application for visa. Here it is. I will select done. Okay, so he have received the particular visa. Now, what I need to do, I will go to application for university where I can see his particular application status is offer letter received. Okay, if I will select on immigration application state, these are different state. So once the application have came into the form, it will be into an application. Once you select the particular university list of a university, it will go into the university state. Once the particular person have received the visa, it will be in the visa state, and once the particular person have received the visa, it will be in the done state. So as you can see, this is Suresh Shah who have received the visa. Okay, and I need to create the invoice, which I can create it from here. But before that, let me show you how the applicant can track his visa. So I'll go to the website, track on application, enter the application number. So as I can see, I have received the offer letter from this particular university finally, and this particular university have rejected my offer letter or application, if I would say. So let's create an invoice for Suresh Shah. We'll again go to the immigration application. Our done state, we have this application of Suresh Shah. Now we have different views to see these particular stages. First view is this particular Kanban view, and we also have list view. Also, you can search the application with the help of different smart filters, just like this. Okay, so let me create an invoice. I'll create the invoice for Suresh Shah. I can define my payment terms. Okay, this will be the source document or application number. Input my consulting fees. I can manage my taxes. I'll validate it. Once I validate, it will ask me to register the payment. So I'll register the payment. It will ask me whether it's payment coming via bank or cash. I'll select cash, validate. Okay, so this particular invoice has been paid by Suresh Shah. If I would like to go with this particular application, I can go again. I can go to immigration application. Here is the application Suresh Shah, where I have created one invoice. This is the exact application. If you would like to add more information before clicking on done visa or before giving the offer letter, you can add the particular information. Now, the reason I came back to this particular application is because we have configured an agent and his fixed price was 100 rupees on this particular file. So we can go to invoicing. In invoicing, we can go to receipts. Sorry, payments. Over here, this is the payment of the agent which we need to do. Sorry, this is the receipts. Over here, this is the payment of this particular application of 100 rupees, which has been generated on the name of the agent. So agent will automatically get a voucher, or he can easily see his commission into his reporting information. So let me log in as agent and let me show you how it works. So first of all, let me log in as agent. This is the agent. As an agent, I can see the number of visa application I need to process or I have already processed. This will be the immigration application. Okay. Now, if I would see how much commission I have generated, I can go to reporting. I can go to agent commission report, and over here I can see for this month I have generated 100 rupees as a commission. So by this way, the agent can manage their visa files and also they can see their commission on monthly basis. Okay. Let me show you the reporting as an admin user also. Over here there are different reporting, sales reporting, where you can define the number of sale order monthly, and with the help of this particular search fields you can have every single information. For example, the customers, the sales team, the salesperson, the time range. Also you can have different views like line chart, graph, bar chart, everything. Okay, thank you very much for viewing this particular video. If you have any questions, or if you would like to purchase this particular solution, and even we are expertise in customizing this particular solution, you can email us directly on contact@sarpancs.com. Thank you very much for your time and patience. Have a nice day.